This lesson is about 6/8 time, which is a compound meter, and then we're going to apply that to the song House of the Rising Sun. So let's go ahead and dive in on the idea of a compound meter. So up until this point, you've been playing in simple meters, either 4/4 or 3/4 time or 2/4 time, which means we simply subdivide the measure into the number of counts. So in 4/4 we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3/4 we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In 2/4 it'd just be 1, 2, 1, 2. And so we only have one strong accented beat within the measure and then the division of the measure. In 6/8 time, it's compound meter because we're going to have 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, but we're going to put a secondary emphasis on beat 4. So instead of getting 3 groups of 2/8 notes like we would in 3/4 time, where we count 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, which is in fact 6/8 notes, we're going to count 6 divided into 2 groups of 3. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my head is nodding the second part of the feel, which is what makes it a compound meter. So one part of our brain is thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the other part of our brain is thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2 pulses happening simultaneously, and that's why we call it a compound meter. Basically, we want to strum this all down. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate starting with 3/4 like we do in the book. So in 3/4 time, it would sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And if I were to play 8 notes, it'd sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and, which are 6/8 notes. But when we go to 6/8 time, we're going to put the emphasis on beat 1 and beat 4 instead. So it's going to sound like this. And I'm going to now play them all down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you go. That's the difference between 6/8 and 3/4, even though they both have 6/8 notes. At the end of measure 12, we go from a G to a G sharp to an A. And I would encourage you to play this in 3rd position. So I'm actually playing that G with my 1st finger, and then going up and playing the A with my 3rd finger. That will make that move a little easier. All right, so I'm counting us in 5 counts into the pickups to measure 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, and then we start over again. All right, so that's the melody. In this song, the guitar 2 part is going to play the 6/8 feel, and I'm going to use a finger picking technique. You can do it either with your fingers in what we call the sign positioning. So our index finger is going to play the 3rd string, our middle finger is going to play the 2nd string, and our ring finger is going to play the 1st string. And we're going to assign those 3 there, and then our thumb is just going to move around on whatever bass note we need. So I'll go ahead and play the first 4 measures of guitar 2 so you can see what that would sound like. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. course, if we go to a 4-string chord like D, we'd have to move our thumb to the 4th string. And if we go to a chord like the E7, we have to go down to the bass string. You can also play this pattern with your flat pick. And if you do that, I would likely recommend that you do 4 down strokes followed by 2 up strokes. So I'm going down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up. You can divide it into 3 and 3 like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, up, up. And either is fine. You could even do them completely alternating, but that's probably the hardest way to play it, where I go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That requires a lot more coordination. Whatever you do, just try and keep it consistent. All right, finally, the guitar 3 part is a strumming part. And so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm playing down, 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 down. And same idea, we're going to hit the root note as a single first beat, followed by the strumming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a little more complicated, and of course all 3 parts can be played together, so I'd encourage you to get together with your friends and do a little trio. All right, we will see you at Unit 11. Practice some more of that, practice some more.